Hello fellow chosen ones. In this video I'm going to show you how to build a hearth in Witchspire. When you're starting out on the game, after you've completed the tutorial, there should be a main mission that leads you to place down a hearth of your own, essentially acting as the centerpiece of your base. If you follow the mark of the quest, it should lead you to this location of where you're going to find your first abandoned hearth. Simply just approach it and hold down the F key and you'll get a hearthkin, and this is the material you'll need to create your very own hearth. You can place this wherever you like or just smack it down right here where you found it. Keep in mind that some essential workstations need a hearth to be in the vicinity to be placed down, like the spinner, witchcraft circle, cauldron and furnace, all equally important structures for your progression. And that's about it on how to build a hearth in Witchspire. If this video helped, please leave a like, drop a comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick guide videos. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next side quest.